Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, we're going to summarize all things that we've learned so far, and I'm also going to share a few tips and tricks on how to take all skills and knowledge that you learn in this course to another level. You might want to start your own social media marketing agency, or maybe you want to start a copywriting freelancing, right? So yeah, before getting into the topic, let me tell you that this video actually going to be the last video in this course. So first of all, massive congratulations for completing the course. Congratulations for getting this far. I'm so proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself too, guys. Because there are lots of people out there who have the same goal as you, but they're not willing to take actions. But when you're taking actions, guys, you're getting a step closer to your goal. You're getting a step ahead of all your competitors. So once again, congratulations for your courage to take actions. Okay, so let's get into the topic. So the first point that I want to emphasize here is CTA, right? So compelling CTA, compelling call to actions. You need to always remember that to make a compelling CTA, you need to use action-oriented language and create sense of urgency. I want to highlight two major things here. So the first one is, no matter how good the quality of your ad copy is, no matter how interesting your product is, but if you don't specify the CTA, if you don't specify the call to actions like buy now or purchase now, shop now, click this link or press this button, something like that, then most likely your potential customers who are already interested in your ad copy, who are already interested in purchasing your product, most likely will not take actions because they have no idea what to do next. That's the first thing. And the second thing that you need to take into consideration here is a scarcity or urgency. So if we're comparing two ad copies, where one ad copy states that this 50% off discount is going to be there forever, and another ad copy is stating very clearly that this 50% of discount is going to end tomorrow, or maybe it's going to end next week. So what's gonna happen is, people, when they see ad where the 50% discounts is going to be ended like tomorrow, most likely they're going to take actions and purchase the product because they knew that tomorrow most likely they're not going to be able to purchase the product at the lower cost, right? So obviously they will take actions. So yeah, those are two major things that you need to take into consideration when it comes to creating and designing compelling CTA or call to actions. Okay, so let's move on to the second one here. AI is just a tool. Alright, so always remember that AI is simply just a tool. So you should never completely rely on AI. Only use it as a tool, not an end product. So you still need to come up with your own idea, even though AI is able to generate you ideas for your copy writing work, even though AI is going to be able to generate you ideas for your ad copies, but still you need to filter those ideas because not all of them are great, right? You still need to check manually. Like, all of this work still require human manual supervisions, guys. All right, so yeah, just keep that in mind. Let's move on to the last one here: testing and optimizations. Continuously testing different ad copies variants and analyzing their performance flows for improvement based on real world data. Especially if we're talking about a social media marketing agency where you're going to be creating ad copies and running ad campaigns for your clients, testing and optimization is going to be very essential because your clients is going to pay you, but at the same time you need to deliver the best quality work possible to your clients, right? And in most cases, when you're running ad campaigns, you're going to be displaying several different ad copies, right? And not all of them are going to perform very well. There are some of them that are going to perform very well, but there are other ad copies that are not going to perform very well. All right, so what you need to do here is to consistently test and optimize the ad. So when you see the ad copy that doesn't perform very well, then most likely you need to cut that off. And if you see an ad copy that works very well, then you will need to scale it up, right? Increase the budget for that specific ad copy to maximize the conversions and also to get as many sales as possible, right? Okay, so those are three things that you need to take into consideration. So let's move on to the next slide. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you for taking the course. I really appreciate that. It's been an honor and privilege for me to be in a great experience teaching copywriting, especially like combining artificial intelligence with copywriting to automate the work. So I really hope you guys enjoying this course, and also if you have opinions about things that could be improved, please guys leave your reviews on the review sections. So it's going to help me a lot. Tell me what you like about the course, tell me what you don't like about the course, and definitely it's going to help me to improve the quality of my future course. All right, and I wish you all the best, nothing but the best, and I really hope to see you again in my future course. Bye guys.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.